Hi guys, today we are going to make a styrofoam car or a heart. You might do both. So let's start off with the car. So you need some styrofoam, scissors, and plastic wrap. And you need a marker to draw it. So let's start with the car. So you're gonna draw. Oh, I messed up. So my gosh, it's so tiny. Okay, let me try again. Looks weird. Ooh, I got an idea. Okay. So it should be looking like this. Not like exactly. And we're gonna cut that out and then make the exact same form, same shape. That's one hard. You might need paper under. We need paper under the styrofoam or it'll catch all the foam. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. Like, okay, gonna break that part. And then now I'm gonna. Okay, I have very thick style. Oh, hard. I've been. Easy. My scissors are decorated. Yay. The hard part is gonna be cleaning them up. And I don't know where it went. Oh, I found it. Just gonna use my hand. The scissors don't work. Doesn't work. If you don't have plastic wrap, clear tape could also work. Okay. Now you have your card. You can do the details of the before you add the clear tape or plastic wrap. Put that aside. Let's do our second card. Actually, we need this. And we're gonna grab the little card we made. Then trace it. Okay. Wow. Just the tracing. That does not look as big as I thought it would be. Look at that. So big. We're not gonna try again though. So break Look what I just did. Just like cut off the marker. And so I guess that's good. Have to cut off the part. Um. Okay, I'm gonna redraw this. And okay, then you're gonna make some face. And actually, I'm not drawing anything for this stuff. And then you're gonna grab tape or glue. I'm gonna use tape. Mm. Uh, oh, um, okay, we're done. This. And now we're gonna have to do some plastic wrapping. So I'm gonna grab it. Okay, just give me 1 second. I'm back. I got some plastic wrap. So what you're just gonna do is take out the whole little round. Grab a little small piece. Get the scissors and then cut it. Okay, so you're gonna make it lie down. Hold it up. Then grab the little pie, place it on top. Wait a minute. Make sure this side like shown to you, facing you. And then you're just gonna grab every single corner of it and wrap it. And then in this part is gonna, this little white part is gonna be where the tape is. Okay, then once you got your tape, your plastic wrap it, and there you go, your little car is ready. And I'll see you in my next video, which is making the heart. Bye!